Hello there everyone, welcome to CECA News. This is your host and host Mimo taking you through today's news.
Hello, my dudes. Today we'll be addressing a very important issue, a severe threat that the Apple products across different platforms are facing today. The symbol in the red that you are seeing on your screen right now is a Telugu character which is making Apple products crash. That has been reported by the phone radar on the February of 16, 2018. Even Unbox Therapy covered the same issue in their latest video, so you can watch them as well. The character which you are seeing in front in the red is the one which is causing major bugs and making Apple products go haywire. So we'll see how this is being affecting Apple products. So the problem affects iPhones, iPads, Macs, even Apple Watches and Apple TV devices. So each time devices running on iOS 11 receive or are being typed into the Telugu character which we have showed you are running into issues. Many apps such as Apple's very own iMessage and its third-party apps like WhatsApp, Gmail, Mail, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Safari, Instagram, even Outlook is facing the same issue. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे is कि जब भी that character is being typed into or is being received or transmitted through any of these apps to a product which is running on iOS 11 and the user tries to open it, the app crashes. So this is a very severe threat and no one knows why this is happening, why suddenly this bug has come up, and this is making Apple's phones and products totally black out even in such cases. So we'll see how this is affecting. The bug usually occurs when the Telugu character is sent to the device or one tries to type it in. The software immediately crashes. Basically, it has been seen with devices on iOS 11. And the Telugu is a language which is spoken very widely in India. It is one of the official languages and is spoken by 74 million people. So it's not a very unknown language. It is a language which is very popular. तो लोग तो इसे यूज करेंगे. Imagine the issue being faced by those people who are using this language on their phone. Each time they try to type in, they are facing a problem. So Apple needs to address this as soon as possible. It is a very major threat. It's a text bomb that is happening right now. So Apple has been already been made aware of the issue, and the text and the character you can see in your screen right now. So Apple has promised that they will fix the issue and they will launch their iOS update, that is iOS 11.3, and वहां पे they will try to solve it. So the next update that is coming, usme the Apple users who are facing the trouble might see a relief. So we were intrigued that what does this character actually means. So we made several translations of it from Telugu to English. So the symbol which is pronounced as Jana. So when typed one time, it means basically nothing, but when typed twice, it means wisdom. If you type it thrice, then it means knowledge of wisdom. And if you type it 4 times, then it means Gnostic knowledge. So that is what the character actually means in the language of Telugu. It generally means jnana or wisdom or knowledge. But जब भी कोई इसको टाइप कर रहा है on their Apple product, it is going crashed. It has also been covered by Unbox Therapy in their latest video, आप उसको भी देख सकते हो. एंड अगर इसको आप सेंड करते हो किसी को तो भी उनका फोन, अगर वो एक एप्पल डिवाइस है, तो it will immediately crash. So this is a huge problem. This bug, this text bomb has come up. So we were intrigued that is this character the only character which can make iOS products or Apple products black out. So we researched even further and will present you our findings. So Mozilla's engineer, Mr. Manish, suggests that the scope of the bug could be broader. The two symbols we know. So basically this word is found by two symbols. Okay, probably one is a consonant and the another one is a vowel. So according to him, any sequence where a consonant or a consonant 2 along with a vowel is used in the language of Devagiri, Bengali and Telugu, then it may cause the same issue and the bug to happen and make the product crash. So if you are using an Apple product, be very careful in opening your new messages, especially if you are using it in Indian languages. Try not to open them. Do not send them to anyone who is using an Apple product. So we'll have to wait until the next update from the Apple comes in the form of update 11.3 so that this issue is addressed to and is solved. I hope they will do it soon. If you like this video, give it a like, comment your feedback, share our video, subscribe to our channel for more such intriguing issues and news. So hope you liked it. Until then, stay classy. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.